The Federal Reserve cut interest rates by 25 basis points. And you can see from this chart here that the dollar initially fell, but it did not hold on to its losses. Instead, it U-turned and rallied. Why in the world did the Federal Reserve interest rate cut lead to a recovery in the dollar as well as a reversal in gold? Now, if you attended my session in the morning, we had laid this out. The Fed, unfortunately, was not dovish enough. They basically delivered everything the market was expected, maybe even a little less. Now, let me explain why. Number one, the market was looking for a 25 basis point cut, but they were hoping that maybe, a couple members would vote in favor of a half-point cut. Last meeting, we had 2 members vote for a half-point cut. This time, only 1. And that one was Steve Mirren, the brand new Fed official. And so he was widely expected to do that. The fact that we didn't get 2 or 3 other members vote for 50 basis points while still allowing the Fed just to cut 25 was not as dovish as the market expected. Number 2, the dot plot. The dot plot shows 2 more interest rate cuts this year, one in October, one in December, and then only 1 for next year. The 2 more for this year was widely expected, but the market was hoping that the dot plot would show 2 more rate cuts or 3 more rate cuts this year, but that was not the case. So that was also less dovish. Then number 3, the economic projections. Yes, the unemployment rate forecast was raised, but the inflation forecast was also increased. So that is not that dovish. So those 3 things explains why the dollar, the gold prices U-turned and actually ended up lower, and the dollar ended up higher. We needed, and in the game plan this morning, I said we needed to see 2 or 3 vote in favor of 50 basis points, or we need to see the dot plot basically favor 4 or 5 total interest rate cuts. So maybe 2 or 3 more next year. And that was not the case. So this explains why, we did not get the reactions we had. You all know how fundamentals, matter. If you want to learn how to use fundamentals to day trade, I've got a master class starting on October 4th. Check out the link in the description or in my bio for all the details. It's the only time ever I'm doing this master class, so definitely check it out. It's very, very comprehensive on learning how to turn the fundamentals into trades.